Make money with Canva templates, the easiest way to make money selling digital products online. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share to you the easiest way to make money online and get this passive income by selling digital products online. So without further ado, let's get started. So one way to make money online is selling digital product online. And Etsy is one of the software that you can use to sell your digital products. And today I will share to you one of the digital product that you can sell well on Etsy, which is the templates. And you can easily create templates on Canva, and Canva, guys, is a free software that you can use for graphic designs. So if you are a beginner or you don't have the skills for graphic designs, then that's totally fine, because from this software you can easily create your amazing design with their easy drag and drop tools. Plus, they also have a ready-made templates here that you can make use of to start your own design. Plus, they have a ready-made templates here that you can make use of to start your own design. And they have hundreds of free templates here and elements here that you can make use of for free. So if you're wondering if how much you can earn from selling templates and what templates you can create and sell on Etsy, then let's go to etsy.com, and here let's search for the templates. And let's select this templates Canva. And as you can see here, some of the templates here price about $10, and also there are more $10 here, about $10. So it will depends on what templates you are selling here on Etsy. So for example, I will click this one, and this template is about $20. And as you can see here, this is the boho Instagram post templates, Canva templates. So that's the product here, and it's a downloadable file. As you can see here, digital download, and you can get the file once you pay this amount, which is about $20. So this template is good for the Instagram, but also let me check it here, read more about me, and let's go ahead and check the other matching Shopify theme here. I will just show you guys if how much you can really earn here just for creating templates. So as you can see here, this is the Shopify theme templates of this seller. And as you can see, the price is more than $100 just for this template. And what I like about this digital product or template is that you just need to do one bundle of designs or templates, and then you can sell it to many different customers. Once you have the templates or the digital products, you can just easily post and upload it here on Etsy, and then just wait for how many people buy your digital items or your templates, and you can earn a lot. So going back to Canva, let's go ahead and start our design. So I will just go back to the home page. So here's our home page, and to start, we need to first select if what is the layout of our design or what kind of template design we will be creating. So for example, for Instagram, I will just type here Instagram. And as you can see here, Canva shows the best recommended layout for your Instagram. So it can be an Instagram post, an Instagram portrait, or an Instagram Reels. So for example, we will be also creating a template for website. So just enter here website, and Canva will also provide you this best recommended layout for your website template. So there's no need for you to worry if you don't know what is the size of templates that you want to create, because Canva will help you and recommend you the best layout for your design. So if you have your own design or if you have your own custom size, then you can easily go here, create a design, and over here you have your custom size. So just click on it, and here you can enter the width and the height of your design, and also you can choose from pixel to inches to centimeter. It depends on you. So for now, I will just go ahead and select the Instagram here. For example, we will be creating an Instagram post template. And over here, you can see a bunch of Instagram post templates here that is ready to use for you. So you can just select any one of this template here if you like to start your design, or you can also make use of this design as your inspiration. And sometimes these templates, I use this one for me to have an idea if what kind of design I want to create. But if you want to create from the scratch, then you also have your create blank Instagram post here for you to get started. So for example, I will go ahead and click this one, and it will redirect me to this page where I can start designing my template. So here you also have your templates here that you can make use of. You can just easily click on this and it will apply on your design, and you can customize this design. You can drag that one, you can delete this one if you like to, and then you can also change this font style if you like to. But let me just go ahead and delete everything here. So I will just highlight it and delete here. And then over here you also have your elements. So you can search for any elements here, and then you can easily drag and drop it here. So for example, this one, I can just drag and drop it here, and it will be applied here in my design. I can also increase the opacity of this design, as you can see, and also you can search for any elements here. So for example, for floral, and I will just search it here, floral, and it will show me a floral graphic design here that I can make use of. So for example, this one, I can easily drag and drop this over here, and I can just move it everywhere and also change the size of these elements. So that's how easy you can drag and drop designs here for your templates. And also here you have your text where you can add text to your design. So you have here for heading, for subheading, and for the bit of body text. So for example, I will select heading here, and then I can type anything here for test. Then you can also change the font style of this text. So you have hundreds of font style here to choose from. So for example, this one. And then I can also change the color of this text. So let me just change it to other font style. And I will just go ahead and change the color here. So I can select a default color, like a red one, blue, or yellow, or you can also select it here, and then you can choose a different color here if you like to. It will depends on you, but that's how easy you can create your own design inside the Canva software. And also, you can upload your own photo here, or if you have your own graphic designs that you downloaded from Google or you create your own, then you can just upload it here, and then you can easily drag and drop it here. So this is the design that I also created from Canva. And this element that you can see here, this cute little bear, I searched it from Google and I downloaded it from Google. I just uploaded it here in Canva for me to make use of this in my designs. So that's how easy and fast you can create your design here. And once you are done with your design, all you need to do is to click share, and then you can download this file. You can download it as PNG, JPEG, or PDF file. You can also share this one on other social media like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and more. And also you can copy the link here. So that's how it works here in Canva, and that's how you can create your design. And once you have the design, you can also sell it on Etsy for you to make money online. So just create your account here on Etsy and create your own store, and then upload or add your digital items here. So I guess that's all for today's video. So I hope that you learned something today. And if you have any question, guys, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you so much for your time watching this video.